Welcome back, traders. Market overview and portfolio breakdown is back in action today. Really exciting day for us in the crypto space. We knocked off massive targets. Bitcoin hitting the big target of 7764, and that was a quick one, right? We got in early on as price action was just turning around the levels of 62, and in a matter of 6-7 days we hit massive target 764. So at this point we closed out the Bitcoin by just naturally hitting target. Same with the Ethereum. Even more impressive, to be honest, here guys, we got in as price action was turning around off of 2901, got in around 2950, and within less than probably 5 days, boom, smashing the target 3568. Massive move yesterday, almost hitting the target. We didn't even notice that it missed it by that close, right? Today it's following up on piggybacking on that positive momentum. So yeah, huge scores for us. Two positions are still in. Ripple. Talked about this one in length today in the main video. I'll make it short here. Doubling up our position size from 50k to 100k. Price is closing in on the target, which is 54.82. Once we hit that level, we're out. Then we're also having the Cardano. This is the latest addition to our positioning. Also talked about this one in length yesterday and announced that we're going to be taking action if things will go our way, and they did. And we said if it's going to start closing the distance to 50.16, which is the breaking out point, we're probably going to pull the trigger even before the crossover actually happens. And that's exactly what we did. Pulled the trigger even before price action, was breaking through. And it didn't really break through yet, right? It's in the process right now. It seems to be drilling through that level right now as we speak. But hey, it's still very early stages of the day, and we do not want to jump the gun as far as coming to conclusions. We're going to have to wait till the end of the day, and then we'll decide whether that was a legit breakout or not. In any case, we did take action and pull the trigger here, so we're already in an existing position. We got our stop loss level at 0.44. Let's see how this is going to go. There's lots of upside potential, as you can see. Next big resistance level and our official target 62.41. That's about that crypto front. Let's quickly segue to the forex market front for us. It's also been pretty interesting here. Flipping over on the pound New Zealand dollar after assessing the monthly charts and watching price action pulling back off of 207.78. That suggests that an upside reversal is in the book. So we're taking action, flipping over on the pound New Zealand dollar, taking action on the dollar Canadian, new position. Pulling the trigger on the dollar Canadian. Take a look at the pullback off of 35.96. Now this formation had been building itself ever since late April. We've had 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the turnaround. We expect the fifth leg to start closing the distance to 37.46, our official target. Last but not least, this one is a candidate. This is not an active position. As far as our positions go, we only have two, right? It's pound New Zealand dollar and dollar Canadian. But this one is the next in line. Straight from the watch list, Aussie Swiss, we suspect would start to close the distance to 59.99, because everything that you've seen last week, was going to end up as a fake out. It's not a legit breakout. It's going to be a fake out. That's what we suspect. It's going to pull back before the end of the month, leave a bit of a spike there across 59.99, and then we'll have a full-fledged downside reversal back to 56.82. Again, this is a speculation. this is why we haven't taken any action here yet, guys. We're just preparing ourselves to take action here. What we need is more negative momentum. What we really need, actually, let's just boil it down, we just want one more negative day, right? We had one yesterday, and we always use the 2 consecutive day filter. So we need another negative day that will keep closing the distance of 59.89. That will probably be enough for us to pull the trigger for the first time, getting our fingers, in the water. And if everything goes well and continues to drop, that's where we start to get more aggressive. Obviously, once it crosses below 59.89, starts the basis of below that level, we're going to get more aggressive. But again, at the end of the day, we're going to be chasing 56.82 and 58.49. All right, so get ready for the Aussie Swiss franc next in line. That's about that for this one today. That's our 2 cents in the forex front. As far as our positions go, we just broke down all of them. We got 2 in the cryptocurrency market and 2 in the forex market. That's what's happening. That's about that for today, guys. Enjoy the rest of it. We're going to be back tomorrow as usual. So till then, be well.